Okay, today we are making oatmeal for breakfast. So, pretty basic, just using regular old-fashioned oats. Gonna pour about maybe a half a cup of oats into a bowl. You can do more or less. I'm just gonna add a little bit of water until it's about a ½ inch above the level of the oats. Then we'll put it in the microwave. For a minute 28 seconds. Then I'm going to put it in for another 25 seconds. I don't do it all at once because it boils over. I'm going to take it out of the microwave and sprinkle some ground cinnamon onto the oatmeal. Again, these ingredients you can omit or add more or less. I'm going to slice up a banana and like to put in some crushed walnuts. And about a teaspoon or so of ground flaxseed. Then we'll mix everything together. If your oatmeal is too thick and dry, you can always add almond milk or water to make it a little bit more creamy or thinner. And that's it. I hope this helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.